Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial on searching in ProQuest eBook Central, one of the databases offered by the SNU Library. You can get to ProQuest eBook Central by going to the main library page at library.snu.edu and clicking on the Research Databases link below the search bar. This page lists all of the databases you have access to through SNU. You can find ProQuest eBook Central by either typing it into the search box or clicking on the letter P. You can see from the P page that we not only have ProQuest eBook Central, but also the main ProQuest database and ProQuest dissertations and theses. For this tutorial, we will click on ProQuest eBook Central. Now, at this point, you may be prompted to log in using your SNU credentials, the same username and password that you would use for your SNU email. I have already logged into that, so it's not prompting me. So type your search into the search bar, and for this search, I am going to type classroom assessment. Currently, there are over 55,000 results. You can narrow this down by using quotation marks around the words classroom assessment so that it will look for the phrase classroom assessment instead of searching for the two words separately. This has given me over 1,900 results. You can also use the Boolean operators and, or, and not in all caps in order to include or exclude certain additional terms. To illustrate this, I will type in classroom assessment and literacy. This search is for books that include both terms. You can also use the filters on the left sidebar here. You will want to make sure to click on owned and subscribed to by my library. This way you are getting books that you have access to immediately. You may also want to narrow your search by the year the book was published, and you can choose 2 or more publication years. If you'd like, I will choose 2021 and 2022. And you can also narrow down your search by subject, language, and author. And now we have 49 book results. To view the book's information, click on the book title. This page shows you the title, book details, availability, description, and table of contents. It also shows you how to cite the book. Click on Cite Book under the book's image. Choose your format and hit Control-C to copy and paste it into your references or works cited page. Under availability, you will see the different ways you can access the full book. You can read online, or there are some different ways to download the book. As you can see, this particular book can be checked out for up to 21 days, or you can download specific chapters which do not expire. Now, I'm going to go back to our results page to show you what to do if you do not want a book that has a checkout time limit. So under book status, under the refine your search, you'll click on unlimited print, copy, and download. These books are available to download for as long as you need them. When you try to download a book or chapter, you may be prompted to create an account. So I'll just put on download book, see right here. You'll be prompted to create an account with ProQuest. This is a free service that will allow you to download your chosen book. And that is how you search on ProQuest eBook Central. If you need any further research assistance, feel free to ask the reference librarian in person or by phone, chat, or email. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.